fish.
Get back here, boy.
Oh man, he's in my freaking line. That's stupid. What do we do about that?
Just a bit. Slowly reel it in if you can.
Oh no, that's not gonna happen. It's over yours.
Maybe you can pull it over my tip.
Just fight the fish. You just fight the fish.
There you go. Usually playing this game by myself.
No.
Usually playing this game by myself. Like, how do I get out of the mess? Ooh, doggy. It's a rodeo. He probably swallowed the hook like yours did. I let him go so long. That's my new thing now. I feel like I'm a pro.
If you bring it here, I can grab it. You can keep swimming the fish over there. Oh, keep that shit in. We need another.
That's trouble.
Is that the right line to cut?
Yeah. Oh, dang! Dang it! He's gonna get off!
No, he's not, dude. Positive fishing attitude. Mine didn't get off.
He's gonna get off!
Stop talking that mess, dude. He's under that. He is under the He is under that rope. Oh, you're gonna grab him anyways. Do you want me to get the video, or do you want me to just get that rope up?
I just let it. Dude, he's about out of gas, so I might have a chance. You know what you could do? You could.
About out of gas, eh?
He's not out of gas.
I think he just stopped at the gas station. Let me pull that anchor rope up.
He's on the anchor rope. He's over here by the motor. He's got line all over him. He's gonna come off for sure.
No, he's not, dude. PFA, positive fishing attitude. Hand me that.
It's twisted around. How was this fish still on?
Yeah.
Don't go back to this.
You can grab him with the net, dude. Right there, he's like done.
The line is all around my feet. Yeah, I'd rather not put them in the net though, because it jacks them up. They get all cut up and their scales are coming off.
We'll grab him. You want me to take the rod?
Yeah, just give me that glove. It's close. Mine, I had it good.
There's your fish, ladies and gents. The net jacks him up.
Line's over there.
The net'll jack him up, but so we'll leave him on the rod for 10 years. You want me to take the rod, bud?
Are you out of gas yet, fish?
That's a huge fish jumping right there.
Not as big as mine.
Your method takes too long. I want to fish.
That's true.
There's a net right there if you want to use that. Recording. You smell like crap when you picked me up this morning.
Hey, that's my boy right there. 3 feet, probably.
Take a scale for me.
He's got some scales off like I caught him before.
We need some scale samples. We should tag a couple of these, dude. Just for
I love
fun.
this really long fin.
He's ready.